Hello from Slovenia again. Today I already covered my canvas with black off camera. I was going to do it on camera, but I forgot. I just poured some black and I added this 1 drop for an ounce of silicone oil in my fluorescent paints, and I will do a funnel pour today. So I will just add a little more black here in the middle. And you know, sometimes when you do those funnel pours, you want to have your paint on the tins a little thinner, but I don't want to, because I want to have some nice rounded cells. So, and I didn't, you know, this funnel is flexible, or how can I say, but I will use just a little bit, because I don't want to have too much paint. And I will start with fluorescent green and blue, just to, you know, that I will not overdo with colors, or how can I say, and violet and magenta and orange and yellow. Okay, and now I will just try to release this in kind of a spiral shape. And a little more. So I will start with green again, and blue, and purple, and magenta, and orange. Just some neon colors for the Halloween time. Okay, and now I will try just to lift and lift, and I'm done. Okay, so I will spin this out first and then torch, because I don't want to have those kind of elongated cells, or how can I say. Okay, one cell did pop out already. And I will just tilt this a little bit. And as you can see, while I'm tilting, that paints are quite thick. When I use silicone oil, I want to have my paints on the thick side. not a fan of this at all. So I will grab a palette knife and try to do some swipes. I think that my black was too thick for this. I didn't want to have a thin base because I didn't want to have, you know, that wonky cells. But at the end I obviously ended up with too thick base. Just trying to get some composition that I will like, or like more than I like it now. I just want to go over the edge there with that pattern. Because it has kind of a galactic look or spacey look or whatever, so I will try to work on it a little more. Okay, this is better now. I will go towards the middle again. Kind of looks like a Dutch pour with cells. I will leave it now. Kind of like it. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. Not so, sorry. So here is a close-up. Not so bad, but I was going for something totally different. But I just want to save it. Love this little purple cell there. Because I didn't want to waste all that paint. It's kind of Fluorescent Tornado or something. Oh, I like it that way. So this was one of the pours that didn't went as I hoped, but I will leave it to dry. I love those parts here with green, blue and violet, and I'm not a fan of this yellow and orange there, but after all, not so bad. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!